got Joyce. How excited about the Vegancuts box?
Very excited.
She's never tried the Vegancuts box, and I thought today would be the perfect day for her to try the Vegancuts box out. So right here we have the whipped soap scrub, French lavender, and then we have right here Soul Spring Soothing Muscle Rub with CBD, and this is the sample sized. Pretty good sized product though to try out. And then I thought the box itself was really cute, how they give you this. Isn't that just cute when you open it up? So what was your first impression when you opened the box?
The products were presented very nicely, packed in the box.
Alright, so we're going to try these out real quick. Now, have you ever tried vegan products before?
Never.
Never. Okay, now you do know that no bunny was harmed in making this box. No bunny. You think that's cute?
That is
It
cute.
says no bunny was harmed.
No bunny was harmed.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cute.
Yes.
Anyway, the Vegancuts box. This box actually runs about $23, round $23, a little bit, some change. And I got a $5 code off for anybody that wants to get it. You get $5 off if you use code MzPat, MzPat. That's $5 off, but you have to use my affiliate link down below. The affiliate link will be on the screen and in the description box. So right here is the products. We have the beauty box theme, which is fruit, floral, and fresh sea breeze. And you can see each product. This one right here, the mask was $22. The CBD muscle rub was $4, and the serum for the hair is $34. The lotions $18, and then we have the soap with French lavender whipped soap and scrub $2, and this runs about $80, and you get this box for $22.98. Don't quote me, I put it right here on the screen so you can see. And we have right here, I'm excited to try. I know Mama Joyce will be very excited to try this. This is for your hair, so we're going to be trying this out. Do you need any new hair products?
Definitely. I need to change.
Why?
My hair is so dry.
Do you think that has a lot to do with the chemicals and products and stuff?
I sure do. So I'm going to try this.
And this is 2 fluid ounces right here. Pretty good size bottle. And we have the ocean lotion. Let's see how that smells. All right, guys, this is the ocean lotion. So we're going to sit here and see. Here is the back of the ingredients. As you can see, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, and it's made in the U.S. Excuse my nails, I have not painted. We are in quarantine, and I've been lazy. So we have, you can see all the ingredients right here. There's seed oil. First thing that comes out to me, avocado oil. And then I don't really see any harsh ingredients, and that's the perks of getting vegan products, is organic ingredients. So if you're looking for something that's not harsh without all the chemicals, I would suggest cruelty-free vegan products. So we're gonna see how this smells. Okay, smell it first to see how it smells.
It smells good. Rub it in. I love the texture and the smoothness, because my hands are so dry.
Especially with all this quarantine stuff going
All the
on.
sanitizers that I've been using, this lotion should help it, I'm hoping. It's worth me trying it to see.
Now, does it give you like a greasy feel, or is it like, how would you describe the feel of the lotion?
Well, it has put a shine and softness to my skin.
Yeah, it really has. Look at that.
Yes, I like the glow of my skin.
You've actually been complaining about getting something that makes your skin feel more healthy. Does your skin feel healthier?
It sure does.
All right, so let's move on to the next product. Now, this is the hair serum. She's going to put a little bit in right here. No, rub your hands together. Now, massage through your hair. Massage through your hair.
Smells really good. I love the scent.
Actually, it does really smell really good.
It actually does have a real
Yeah.
good smell.
You want this product, don't you?
I'll have to try all these products.
Where are you putting your hands for? It's for your hair. It's supposed to give shine to your hair.
Oh yeah, I can filled
my
with
mom uses a lot of hairspray and damaging products to her hair, so if I can get her to switch to vegan products, I think her hair would do a lot better. It does smell really good. All right, Mom. Do you think that you would buy this box? Would you recommend anybody buying this box?
I would recommend it, yes. I'm going to try it out to see if it works for me.
And, of all these products, which product do you think is your favorite?
The favorite I would think that I'm really concerned of is the shine for my hair.
Okay, and did you like the lotion though too?
And I love the lotion. It made my skin feel soothing, soft.
Now, she did not try the other products. I am going to be trying them out and giving you a review on them. But for the lotion and the hair serum, you actually did like it.
I actually did.
All right, so Vegancuts is going to be your new lotion and hair serums provider.
I will try all these out and then let you know
All right.
what the results are.
Did you like the scrub?
Sure, it was great.
What does it smell like?
Really swell.
Stop! Glenn just used, hold on, I'll get the bottle. So Glenn's taking a shower and he just tried, stop! He just tried this whipped soap scrub and French lavender. It smelled really good, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Stop! Okay guys, so I had this whipped soap scrub and Glenn just tried it out and he actually liked it. So I think he's going to be using this more often in the shower.
Oh, I'm going to use it all the time. And not just for the money.
This is, what is, its directions: apply desired amount to skin while bathing and rub gently. Rinse with warm water for external use only. Discontinue if your skin irritation occurs.
It's only in external use?
Yes.
That's too bad because I put it in my...
Guys, so I just got out of the shower and I look like a raccoon because I did not do my face yet. I'm gonna do my face after I get out of the shower, so I have to like this whole routine I do. But anyway, I was in the shower and I used the whipped soap scrub. I absolutely love it. It is amazing, and I feel like it just, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I really liked how it felt on my skin. I really like how it felt on my skin. I even had Glenn try it. Now we're gonna be trying. That's Glenn brushing his hair. I'm gonna be trying the Soul Spring, and this is like a soothing, like CBD muscle rub, and Glenn's gonna be putting it on my back because I've been having problems out of my back lately. Like, I think I really pulled something, and I look crazy right now. Look at me, crazy. Anyway, we're gonna be trying this out, and I'm gonna let you guys know. So, here, Glenn. I need you to put it on this shoulder. Not on my bad spot, but like, oh, you need to use one of those. Here, I'll let you use some of this towel.
For what?
To dry me off.
Dry you off. I got stuff on my head already.
Oh.
Right here?
Yeah, no, down my shoulder. Yeah, don't use a lot of it. I don't think you gotta use a lot. Can you wipe it off? Ooh. It smells like the menthol. It has menthol in it. I can smell the menthol. So it's like kind of like a vape rub, but
It's kind of like icy.
it's vegan and cruelty free. Ooh, I can smell. It smells like an icy hot. It really does. Okay guys, so today is the day after I used the hair serum, and look at it. I'm very pleased, and I've been laying around so it's kind of frizzy, but let me show you when I brush it. Look at that. Look. Telling you, I really like the hair serum. Really like it. You can see how thick my hair is, but look at that. And it's not straightened, so if I straightened it, it'd look a lot better, but I'm telling you, I really love my hair serum.